Hello friends, we welcome you to our channel Shubh Labh Vedic Astro. Today we are going to discuss the change in the movement of planet Saturn. As we know that the Saturn was having its retrograde movement until 10th of October 2021. But from 11th October 2021 onwards, the Saturn will be regaining its normal forward movement. Friends, this will bring a huge relief to all the zodiac signs. When we say all the zodiac signs, then it means that there will be some signs which will be getting extremely good results during this period. And for the other signs, there will be a big relief. No doubt, the movement of Saturn may not be very good for them. They will have to face some adverse effects of the Saturn, but those effects will not be very bad or very harmful for them. So, we will be discussing all the zodiac signs turn by turn and the effect of this change. First, we will discuss Aries. Friends, in Aries, the Saturn is transiting in the 10th house and it will remain there for at least 1 year. And out of this period, for next about 8 months, the Saturn will be having its normal forward movement. So, there will be a big boost to them in their occupation, profession, job. Moreover, they may purchase a plot, property, a vehicle during this period. They might go to abroad. So, the period is overall good for them. The struggle which they were facing in their occupation or profession will get reduced, and the hard work which they had already done is going to fetch very good results to them during this period. During this period, they will also be getting the full support of planet Jupiter. So the period is extremely good for them. They should plan accordingly and take benefit of this time. Next zodiac sign is Taurus. For Taurus, again, we have already told that the period is very good. Now, the Saturn will be giving extremely good results to them. Their struggle will get reduced, and their hard work they have done before will be fetching very good results to them. Again, the support of Jupiter will be there for these people. So they should also take care of this and get ready to get a good success during this period. Friends, the next sign we are going to discuss is Gemini. For Gemini people, they are having effect of Saturn on them for 2.5 years. Out of this 30 months period, almost more than half they have faced, and the balance period is going to bring a relief for them. No doubt, some adverse effects will be there, but again, those will not be very severe or very harmful. So, they are also going to get some good results during this period, but they will have to work hard and stick to the principles. They should avoid bad karmas. Then only they will be able to get good results. With slow speed and with some hurdles and obstacles, but overall period is not so bad for them. Next we are going to discuss the sign Cancer. In Cancer they were facing extremely hard period for their married life, but now onwards they will be having a big relief in their married life, and moreover, due to the favorable movement of Rahu in the 11th house and the support of Jupiter, which is transiting at present in the 7th house itself and having its fifth aspect on the planet Rahu, they will be getting very good results during this period. If moon is good in their birth horoscope, they should also wear a white pearl in the ring finger of right hand. The next sign we are going to discuss is Leo. For Leo, the Saturn will be transiting in their sixth house. Sixth house belongs to diseases, loans, enemies, and defeats. So Saturn transiting in the sixth house will be demolishing the diseases, loans, enemies of the native. So it is going to be a good period for them. Meanwhile, the transit of Rahu in their 10th house and transit of Jupiter from 21st November into their 7th house is going to bring good results for them. Their married life will get improved. Their income sources will be improved. They will be having good relationships with their brothers and sisters and friends. They can also have a visit to other states or other countries. So period is overall good for them. Next we are going to discuss Virgo. In Virgo, they are going to get very good results during this period because Saturn will be transiting in their fifth house and support of the Jupiter will be there. Moreover, the planet Rahu will be transiting in their ninth house. As per the laws of astrology, the malefic planets, when transiting in the benefic houses, lose their maleficness to a great extent. So they start giving good results to the native. No doubt there will be some bad results also, but there will be very good results for them also. When we talk about Rahu, Rahu gives a sudden rise and sudden gains to the native when it is in a good position in the horoscope of the native. So these people are having very good transit. They should plan the period accordingly and they are going to have a very good successful period ahead of them. In the end, we suggest those signs which are going to get some adverse effects, some remedies, especially the people of Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Leo. They should recite the basic mantras of Rahu, that is Om Bhram Bhreem Bhrom Sah Rahuve Namah, Om Bhram Bhreem Bhrom Sah Rahuve Namah, Om Bhram Bhreem Bhrom Sah Rahuve Namah. And they should also avoid black, dark brown, and deep grey colors during this period. The persons of Cancer ascendant or Cancer zodiac sign should wear a white pearl in their right hand ring finger in the silver ring. So, if you have any suggestions or complaints, then you can WhatsApp us and also give your feedback in the comment box. In the last, we hope that you will be liking our presentation. So we request you to kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. We also request you to kindly help us in extending the reach of our channel. In the end, we thank you all. Have a nice time ahead. God bless you all.